A nice way to add a personal touch to your gift giving is with some handmade tags. In this video, I'll show you how I used Canva to create these photo gift tags. Start by going to canva.com. You'll click on Create a Design and Custom Dimensions. I select inches, and for the width I'm putting in 8.5 and the height 11 so that it is the height of a standard piece of paper. Now I'm going to select elements, and we're looking for a frame. A frame is something into which you can pop a photo, and I will explain that more in detail later. I like this rectangle. It has a pale border, but that's okay, we can remove that. I'm adjusting the width so that my tag will be 2 inches wide, which is roughly 3 inches high. And while it's selected, at the top, I am selecting white as all of the exterior borders for that frame. I'm looking for a triangle. This right triangle is exactly what I'm looking for, but it's really large. We're going to reduce that in size, bring it up to the top, rotate it 90 degrees, and lock that in. That is going to obscure that photo frame that I have created. This one we rotated 180 degrees and snapped that on top. It doesn't quite look right, but when I select white as the color, you'll see that what I'm left with is this tag shape frame. I select all of those parts, copy it, and paste it. I'm able to get 3 across this 8.5 by 11 inch template. Now let's go to photos. I really would like a mountain scene, so I'm going to grab that, and when you hover over the frame, it puts it inside the frame and masks all of the other areas. Some glitter. Now you can also upload photos of your own and insert them in there. That would be really nice to have some photos of the gift giver or perhaps of the gift recipient. This is what my tags are looking like so far. To create a little area to write on them, I am looking for a more hand-drawn organic shape. I like this circle. I'm going to make it smaller, remembering of course that most of the time with Canva you can change the colors, which I will do shortly. Make that white, and then I am going to make that 60% transparent so you can still see some of the mountains behind. Let's copy that circle and paste it on the other 2 tags so that these tags are all similar in design while the imagery is different. Duplicate that circle that's on this glitter one because I can hardly see it. Make it a little bit larger, center it over that original circle, and change the color. Look here how it suggests color that are actually in the photo. Move that circle to the back. Flip the interior circle, and it creates this really lovely organic shape. I'm going to do the same on this other one. Let's move that backwards. And suggest this pale pink, and then I'm going to flip that interior circle one more time so that they're all different, but they look cohesive in their color palette as well as in their design. So this is how it looks on my sheet so far. I'm going to select all of that, group it, and copy it. Line up this one in the center of the page, and I'm going to copy it one more time and move it to the bottom of the page. Before I download, I'm going to give this a title. And then I'm going to click Download as a PDF. And there you go, ready to print. This is what it looks like. 9 tags on a sheet, and in the upper right-hand corner, I'll be able to select the print option. One is fun, but more is better. Let's make some other designs. Check the description box below for links to all these videos, as well as a link to download this free PDF. Thanks for watching, and happy making!